This tutorial guides you through submitting multiple job profiles on Crazywhiz. You will learn how to create detailed job profiles to attract potential clients effectively. Once you log in with your details, click the My Account section in Main menu to access your profile settings and job management options. Click Create Job Profiles to start adding new job profile for each service you provide, something like one profile for maths tutor and job profile for yoga class. Click the Name field to enter the name associated with your job profile. Click the Email Address field to provide your contact email for the job profile. Click the drop-down menu to choose the type of service you want to list. You can any type of listing based on your requirement. Select the service category that best describes your job profile to ensure accurate listings, such as I provide services. Click the field to enter the suitable category and select the specific service category related to your job profile. Enter the service category, such as tutor, to specify the nature of your job profile. Select appropriate job role such as tutor from the list to categorize your job profile appropriately. Click the Post Title field to enter the title that will appear on your job listing. Click the drop-down to select the education level relevant to your job profile, such as diploma or degree based on your qualification. Select the appropriate education level from the drop-down. Click the Specialization field to enter the subject or area of expertise for the job profile. Enter the specialization, such as maths, or a specific subject or service you are planning to offer, or to define the focus area of your job profile. Click the drop-down to select the experience level required or offered, like fresher or 1 year. Select the experience level that best matches the job profile's requirements or your qualifications. Click the Description field to provide detailed information about your job listing, what you offer, your previous experience if any, background information, and anything else. Click the drop-down to select the hourly rate or pricing for your service, such as 100 per hour or 00 per hour. Choose the appropriate rate from the options to specify your service charges. Click the drop-down to select the service location preference, like home visit or at my place on online. Select the location option that best suits how you will deliver your service. Click the Address field to enter the location details relevant to your job profile. Click the drop-down menu to select your city from the available options. Select the appropriate location to specify where your service or job profile is based. Click the Mobile Number field to provide your contact phone number for communication. Click the checkbox to confirm that you have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Click the checkbox to confirm your agreement to the platform's policies. Click the Submit button to finalize and post your job profile on Crazywhiz.